So we got the propane tank, got the propane instant hot water heater. We got in, we got out, or in and out. Look at it. The water coming out of here is hot, hot, hot. I started with the hose hooked to the hot water heater in to fill this up with hot water, so I don't have like a time on how long it takes to get it hot from cold. That'll be another day. But I got this set to like the highest water speed and pretty low gas level, and this water is like 1, 2, and that's it. So it'll come out really hot. Like if I crank the gas up, it comes out like friggin' boiling. So I think this is a win. Like it's hotter than the water that came out with the wood, that bad boy. And yeah, and the pump powers it, makes enough PSI to turn on the system. It's pretty sick.